Hey Pete, we get a lot of vehicles in our shop that have some small scratches or dings on them. How can we show our viewers how to make this really easy for them at home?
Definitely, it's going to be very simple. What you need to make sure you do is apply a Rust-Oleum Sandable Primer on top of this substrate here. What that's going to do is it's going to fill in all the little grooves and gouges here so that you can have a smooth, paintable surface when you're ready for paint.
Fantastic, sounds easy, let's do it.
Let's do it. Looks great, TJ, thank you very much. Before we move on to our Sandable Primer, we want to make sure that we shake the can vigorously. When applying the Sandable Primer, you want to make sure you keep the can upright and at least 10 to 12 inches from the surface and always working in a back and forth motion, just like this. So that's it. Now that we applied our Sandable Primer, we need to wait at least 2 to 4 hours before we sand and get ready for our top coat. Now this part is primed, sanded, and ready for top coat.
This is how easy it is to do this at home.
For more information on this product and other primers, go to rust-oleum.com/automotive. Until next time.